So people, inspired by being added to the group Living Without Plastic, I have watched one of the videos this morning on making my own beeswax wraps. So I'm now going to attempt doing so. Haven't tried it before, just watched the video, so hopefully it'll all come right in the end. I'm going to post this up to the update page and see whether or not it works. Okay, hope to see you later. So, the first thing I have to do is find some cotton material. This is just an old remnant. So I'm going to cut it so that it's square, or actually indeed a rectangular shape with pinking shears. Then my next job will be to grate a small grater, like a sort of nutmeg grater, grate my beeswax, just a normal piece of beeswax that you can get from a hardware shop, onto the fabric, inside a piece of greaseproof paper, which I fold. So you fold it inside the greaseproof paper, and then you iron it on a low heat, and hopefully we'll end up with something worthwhile. So I'm just showing the next part, the part of the process where you put the shavings on. So you put the shavings on. I've done half of this already. I've grated shavings on the fabric, and now I'm just about to put the iron over, and literally you just go over with the iron, and you can see where the wax is going. It doesn't appear to be as quite so easy as it was when I watched the YouTube video, but hey, it's not going too badly. We'll just see, but it does seem to be going in the fabric okay, but obviously I want to make sure that I've got all of it done. So this is after I feel that I've put all the beeswax on that I could, and I've used the iron across it, and now this is the sort of grand unveiling. So as you can see, it's a bit stuck because it's got the wax on it and I haven't got enough hands free, but it looks to me very much like it's worked. So if we now compare this piece of beeswax wrapping, which is quite now got quite a lot of it holds its shape, to the material that we started with, which is kind of very flimsy. I don't know whether you can see that. So there we go. That'll do for putting sandwiches in or something, and then apparently you can wash them, and if they need re-sorting out, you can do that as well. So actually took quite a long time, but quite a good result. So here we are. Here's my I've folded it up and it's quite sort of stiff now, and there, as you can see, there's a nice compartment for sandwiches or whatever, and then you just fold that over. It's quite nice and secure. I think that's quite a success. Well done.